Our custom wall graphics are the easiest way to add style to your home or office. To make installation easy, we only use premium vinyl and add back slits to help you apply your design. We also include a squeegee and tape, so you'll have everything you need to install them. Before you get started, we recommend picking a smooth surface or wall and cleaning it prior to installation. To get started, remove your graphic from the tube that it's packaged in. Step 1. Unroll your wall graphic and discard the outer white paper. Step 2. Flip the wall graphic over and place it face down on a clean surface. Step 3. If your wall graphic is larger than 2 feet, you'll notice back slits along the backing. Peel off and discard the first section of backing. Note, if your wall graphic is smaller than 2 feet, you can simply peel the entire backing and apply to your wall. Step 4. With adhesive exposed on the left, stick the wall graphic to a clean wall. Our adhesive is reposition-able, so you can adjust it to your liking. Apply a few strips of tape to the top of the wall graphic to secure its position. Step 5. Reach behind the wall graphic and begin peeling the rest of the backing off. With the other hand, smooth and apply the graphic to the surface using your hand or the supplied squeegee, working from the center out. Step 6. Remove and discard the tape strips and celebrate your new wall graphic. With our simple installation procedure, Sticker Mule is the fastest and easiest way to buy custom wall graphics.